Guys, for today's video, pag-usapan natin ang kinaharap ng Miss Universe Association or Miss Universe Organization, lalo na si Miss Anne. Dahil mayroon po siyang 28.3 million suit to be filed against GKN Global Group of Companies after Miss Universe competition done in El Salvador. So, ano ba yung kinalaman dito? False of information ang pinail nila para kay Miss Anne and GKN Group of Company. So, final po ito ng Bangkok, Thailand Total Communications Group of Company against kay Miss Anne and Miss Universe. And conduct po sila ng media press conference today po, kanina po 11 AM. So, mayroon po siyang kaso against sa false information Miss Universe and GKN Global Group of Company, na which is associated and involved with Miss Universe cryptocurrency named Miss Universe Coin that was introduced at Philippine Blockchain Week. So mayroon siyang 1 billion baht ang charges na pinailed by TC. Guys, matindi to ang kinakaharap ni Miss Anne sa kanyang pamamahala sa Miss Universe Organization. So, mixed emotion bilang Pinoy fans. I don't know if that's karma or good karma or bad karma or whatever. Pero, questionable kasi ang pag-alis ni Paula ni Paula and si Esther. 'Di ba si Esther ang nauna and then Paula, and then based on Paula farewell speech, parang hindi niya binanggit si Miss Anne doon at hindi siya nag-thank you kay Miss Anne directly during the farewell speech niya. So questionable at mismong napansin ko din. At the same time, si Miss Paula, nag-thank you siya sa 25 years of service being part of the president sa Miss Universe. So, mayroon tinatawag siya doon, may binanggit siya na integrity, ano pa ba yun? Basta, diversity, yung mga ganon. So, sino yung pinatamaan niya? So, ito na nga, lumabas na, kagimbal-gimbal na 28.3 million. So, 1 billion baht. Ang laki nun. So, malampasan pa kayo. At saka, warrant of arrest na today. Kamusta naman si Anne dyan? So, abangan natin si Michelle Book.